I'm an artist based in Liuzhou, China and Frankfurt, Germany. I'm here with my residency proposal called Wandering Landscape. In my practice, it's mainly focused on human being as a geographical subject. When I mention geography, it's not a discipline, it's more like the generation of space and knowledge. So that's why for me, at this point, it became essential and crucial to investigate the Chinese diaspora community here, and then what kind of impact that it has towards the mainland to reimagine the geography. During my stay here, I mainly work with the photography, oral archive, which means interviews, to investigate the surrounding and environment the Chinese diaspora has been inhabited and surrounding themselves with. Generally, I started to just by walking and taking pictures in the neighborhood, I realized that it's not just this neighborhood called Chinatown nowadays that is the most active neighborhood of the diaspora. They are everywhere in the city, running Spanish bars and restaurants nowadays, and they establish a lot of variety shops and have very crucial commerce trading business with the China mainland nowadays. So for me, firstly, this intention was the curiosity of the so-called first Chinatown established in Spain brought me here. But then it made me realize that Chinese diaspora never really just in one place. They are everywhere. They are a map. They are a network. So that's why this wandering also became from one places to around the whole city, around different places, around this diaspora temporality and moment to capture these fragments. So, and then to put them together so that we can have a better picture of imagination and something between imagination and reality, I would say. By combining this kind of fragmented diasporic moments and images with the oral archives, the interviews, the conversations, it creates this dimension of space in different contexts that kind of articulate and resonate with one another, which is what I'm going to show in the open studio. So here you can see with this photography installation that was composed by several light boxes with different sizes of photography. Some of them were framed with this domestic photo frames, and some of them was enlarged and attached directly to light boxes. All these photo frames I found is in Chinese variety shops, mostly called bazaar. I found it quite interesting because every single time when I enter the space, I encounter all the products that I felt so familiar yet also a bit strange lying there in the space. So that's why I chose some of those images that I took in the variety shop to enlarge and to enhance that kind of feelings, that kind of transition with different times and space, and to really question where it is now and who is organizing it and what is this exactly. I'm really happy that I managed to have 2 months stays here, and I think this is just the beginning point and entering point of my practice. I'm wandering landscape as a ongoing process of residence and projects. So if you are watching these videos and feel like you have something to say about your family life, about your own point of view, experience, conversation with friends, you are more than welcome to contact me. I would love to talk with you.